like 6:10. And got some goodies from work. They just gave me this because it's Wellness Week. Not they celebrating Wellness Week, so they gave me some freebies. They're giving out freebies. They gave me a mug. And a shirt. And a little bag. It's a cute little bag. Oh, this paper in there is the oh yeah, man, a lot of notepad. I got a notepad. And this is got the little necklace. Alright? I'm just ready to go home. I'm tired. You like my new wig? I've been had this wig. I wore this last year. My son's birthday. Yeah, it's fine. You checked it already. I wore this wig already, so I just had to cut it. It was longer than this, and I cut it. For some reason, I'm feeling short wigs now. I feel like short wigs is my thing. Cause I cut this wig. I cut some really long wigs. The black one, cut the red one, or burgundy, whatever. I even cut the one that I did that I wore on Thanksgiving. But I missed that one. I was so mad. I cut it too short. But yeah, I'm just waiting for something to go. Huh?
My phone just being slow. It's on its last.
Oh, you're not connected to the Wi-Fi?
I need to.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is.
Gotta hold it still in the camera. Got it?
I don't know. I'm so bad at that. It's like the mirroring.
Yeah, you just gotta hold it still in the camera. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all what they doing back there. He said some swag. Okay, I can't really see it, but yeah, that's it right there. It's not light back there. They got a whole table with mad stuff on there. Giving stuff away. One lady was like, oh, I'm glad you took some. I was gonna ask you. The guy been said it to me while I was sitting here on the phone the whole time. I'm like, I'll come. But then when he said the car's gonna come around 6:10, which he was right. I was like, okay, let me get up and get it before they come. Cause they actually students. I just work here, so I'm not really supposed to get nothing. But these people here are so nice. I like working here. These people are so nice. Even the students, some of them cool with me. They know me. Yeah, I got 2 packages today. And then something else. You got it?
Got it.
And this, I think this is something I ordered for Mother's Day, and it came. I don't remember. I don't know what this is. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I think something I ordered for Mother's Day. I can't tell you. I got the packages upstairs. I was like, I don't trust people at my house, so if I can get my package here at my job, why not? Even though that girl was gone, I still don't trust somebody at my job. I'm at my house. So these people steal your shit for no reason. She ain't the only one I ain't trust. I don't trust people at the house. I don't like asking. I mean, I have a neighbor downstairs I have to ask to tell her to pick it up, but I don't really bother people all the time. So you know, I'm like, let me just send it here to my job where I know I'm gonna get it for sure. And I think my Shein package was something about failure. I think they try to deliver it either Saturday or Sunday, and nobody was there to sign it, and I see even want to use it by the door. So I need to go because Kimani's birthday outfit is in there. Well, not his outfit, it's a shirt. I bought a shirt from Shein for him. For him wearing his birthday. My son's birthday is this weekend, and I have to get myself together and celebrate his birthday. Yesterday was
Well, your kids are very lucky that
I was having a hard time yesterday, but this morning,
where even just like
I came on, it's like, so now that I got on the train, I was emotional. I was crying, like, I was emotional. Like, the day after.
Maybe we get outside.
Yeah. Yeah. I was almost off of me to go like 14 minutes up in here. Yeah, I'm not this thing. The alarm went off. I gotta write it down. I'm liking this wig. At first I didn't like it, but
yeah, and I'm glad you guys.
I'm like, let me cut this wig because
And you know the thing that's the most
I'm getting tired of long hair. I think it's because it's getting hot.
scariest part of it.
I'm getting tired of long weave, but I ordered a wig for my birthday, natural, like human hair, I should say, wig for my birthday, and it's long. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that because I ended up buying another one from the beauty supply store. It's not gonna scan with that red thing on the screen. You have to sign in?
Oh, no, I can.
And I was running the mask. And the only thing is, you know, these 20-year-olds would be running much faster than me and go zooming past without a mask.
Yeah.
And you know, you don't get it and you'll be
Huh?
fine. I get it, I don't. You stop.
You don't have the link?
No, I do. I don't have.
Oh, you take some? Oh, you don't have the Wi-Fi?
I'm just like myself.
I just don't have the
And
connection.
I'm not being very effective communicator. That's just
I have that feeling too.
Okay.
Thank you.
so I
No.
just stuck, right? Is that your reason? Hello.
Hi.
The whole table?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this one and then we'll.
Okay.
Where's the train go?
It's like a 20-minute.
You're welcome.
So you go to.
Charger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome.
How much people there?
United. This is the first time I've seen
Basketball
Malaysia in 3
wife
years.
is back.
Season, I get a call from my lawyer.
I'm
He
ready.
says you've been indicted. Then it changed.
But y'all, I'm just made this smoothie. Just came home, made this smoothie. This is oats, spinach, pineapple,
I did not know what I was coming to.
chia seeds, and banana. Yeah, it's so freaking good. I'm catching up on Black and Cool right now because I missed like 4 or 5 episodes. I was done. Morning, y'all. Morning. Making smoothie on my feet. Frozen bananas, almond milk, chia seeds. So, I'm just trying to get this banana out. I like making smoothies with frozen fruits. It's the best. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's for another bag of spinach. Right there in store. Put the oats in there. I want oats. Wait a minute this time. What is right here? I forgot to put it in there. Whatever. Is it blended properly? Because I know the banana was frozen. We're gonna try this again. I'll do the oats tomorrow. I guess I'm supposed to make the oats because look at the color. Greens. Yeah, baby. Hold on. Gotta go blue. Alright, I finished with this grand stuff, so I'm gonna pour it. Let y'all see the green. Look at the green. All that green. See? See how healthy that looks? Instead of you getting juice, you can get it green. I ain't need no oats. Yo, I make the best smoothies. Do I need to start selling these? I just bought this yesterday. It's almost finished. But do I need to start selling these? Because I make the best smoothies. Like, oh, I gotta take the. Don't waste nothing. Me don't waste nothing. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for work. I got an hour to leave out of here. There's some crazy shit that happened to me just now on the train. Sitting on the train, minding my business, my earphones in, and this fucking man, this homeless man, was like a couple seats away from me talking, and then this older guy came up, like, I guess he was about to come out the next stop, and this guy gonna say, because I'm listening to music, he gonna say, oh, I act like I don't hear him, but he was like, oh man, can't you look up a phone number for me? I lost my phone, I lost my wallet, some shit or whatever. And I act like I don't hear him, but he coming closer to me. And he like, you can't look up a phone number for me? He like, you can't look up a phone number for me? I'm like, no, I can't. Cause as soon as he said that, the train about to stop, because I just got off the train. And he had a plastic cup in his hand. And this nigga threw because I said no, I can't. Well, he's not black, he's Spanish. He threw the cup. And I got up, I said, I wish you would. Put your hands on me. I will fucking shot. I will slap the shit out you. Like, don't play with me. These homeless people be acting like you the one that make them homeless. Like, don't ever go on the train act like people owe you anything. This is wrong with these people in New York. They'll always do that. Coming on the train act like people owe them something because they homeless. Like, nobody don't have to give you anything. And that's the thing, when people don't want to give them anything, they get mad. He said, oh, you can't give me this, you can't give me that. Oh, what he said some fucked up shit to me. He said, I hope you go to hell. Some shit like that he said. The moment he threw the cup, the man was like ready for him. Because he was standing there. He saw when the guy came with me. Because like I said, he was across from me. I'm sorry, like I'm just like, oh, like listen, I'm not in the mood. So that's what I said. I was like, I was like, shit out you. That's my first word that came to my mouth. Because who you about to hit? You're not about to hit me. Who the hell you about to hit? And the man was like, hey, leave the young lady alone, whatever. And I got up and the train stopped. I said, I'm not the one, so I'll fuck you up. Like, stop playing with me. I will slap the shit out you. Like, don't come over here disrespecting me. I don't know you. And the guy was like an older guy. He was like my father age or older, a little bit older. And he was like back in, like holding him, like, you know, like, oh, that's not her problem. He's like, oh, I'm sorry, man, I'm homeless, I lost this and that. He's like, okay, well, that's not her problem. Like, why are you taking it out on me? I ain't do shit to you. The fuck? What's wrong with these people in New York? They were ready to walk around and beg instead of go look for. I mean, I understand it's hard and probably you don't got no choice, but don't come on the train and be mad at people. Shit, you ain't the only one that go through shit. Don't you see me going on the train bothering people? Fucking day I had yesterday and the day before. Don't play with me. This man man was really getting mad at me though. Like I owed him something. Like, I don't owe you shit. You got me effed up, man. And I was like, thank you to the guy. He was like, nothing was gonna happen to you. I'm like, I don't know what's wrong with him. And the other guy was like, oh man, I had your back, man. I had your back. I was sitting there watching him. People crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. But I just got to work. Some man was, I cannot believe that just happened to me just now. Like, this is why I like to wear my earphones. Honestly, most of the time I act like I don't hear them. Because another one was on there on the A train. This happened on the D or the B train, one of the express trains. Honestly, when I come off the train at the A train and go downstairs, and one of the trains comes on the express line, which is the B or the D, I just go on. I don't even look at which one it is because it stops at 40 seconds. Bryant Park. So I just, where the hell is my thing? Oh, sure. So I just go on the train. I don't look on which one it is because they both express and it's 2 stops. So I don't know which train it was, but somebody was on the A train doing the same thing. Like some lady was standing by the door, and he banging on the door, and then he came right there with his stink stuff, like he stink body. I burn my nose, and I act like I don't freaking hear. My earphones being, I don't hear nobody. So, but this just happened. I'm like, this is me, and he's all the way over there. And I see him, he all over there chatting or whatever. And then I think a guy, the same guy, he came from where he was at and come up my way, like standing in, like by the pole in front of me, because he was about to get off the train too. So I guess because the guy was chatting and he didn't want to be down there, but he was listening to him, like watching him or whatever. And then he was down there asking for people for stuff, but they wasn't paying no mind. So he came up to where I was. Like, you know, the 2 seats, and there's a seat right here. I was sitting right here at the 2 seats, and then he was like, oh man, he was like, oh, can I use your phone to look up a number or whatever? I lost my phone, I lost my wallet or whatever, and I hear him, but I act like I don't hear him. So he coming closer to me, and he said, he's like, oh, you can't let me do, he said, oh, you can't let me use your phone? I was like, no. And I got up because the train was about to stop. And then that's when he friggin' slammed the plastic cup on the floor. Like, oh, you going to hell or some shit. Like, I'm like, I wish the fuck you would. Because when he slammed the cup on the floor, he's like, he's, you know, trying to come closer to me. And that's when the guy come in and he like, oh, hey, leave the young lady, I don't know, whatever. Trying to push him away or hold him so he won't touch me. And I said, I wish you would. I said, I'll slap the shit out you. Like, don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'm going to hell. Okay. Whatever. If that's all you feel, whatever. Because I'm not, you're still not going to use my phone. So whatever. I don't care. He's like, oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm homeless. I lost my wallet. I lost my phone. He's like, okay, but that's not the young lady's fault. Like, why are you bothering her? Why are you taking out on her? That's not her fault. That's my problem. That's what I said to him. How's that my problem? Like, I just came off the train like, listen, nigga, don't play with me. Don't play with me. So when he came off, I was like, when the guy came off, I was like, thank you. He's like, no problem. He said, nothing was gonna happen to you. Because he was right there, so. He's like, hey, yeah, you can't do that, man. You can't do that. You can't trying to blame me. Like, no. Like, what are you doing? What's wrong with y'all people? That's the thing. This is what I don't like about homeless people in New York. They do that all the time. This is not the first time this is not the first time I've seen this happen. But it's the first time it happened to me. Like, really getting mad because somebody don't wanna help you out. Like, come on. I guess it's, I understand it's frustrating or whatever the case is, but nobody don't owe you nothing. Nobody do not owe you nothing, so you can't get mad. You gotta just go do you. You gotta just do what you gotta do. Because we strangers. We don't really gotta give you anything. You don't know us. We don't know you, so we don't have to give you anything. Yo, that shit was, I had my heart, like, I was gonna say I never expect that, but listen, shit happens to anybody. So, the day I had yesterday, like, listen, I literally, as soon as I went on the train yesterday morning, I started crying. And I wasn't to a song. I wasn't to, I guess it's for the, I don't know if the song had anything to do with it. I just, the tears was just rolling down my eyes, like. And then Sunday, it was not a good day. So, like, I don't understand what's going on today, but I don't got time. The devil is working, and I don't got time. Because I'm not the one. Put you in your place real quick. Like, I really meant what I said, because I was going to slap the shit out of him. If he had put his hands on me, I was going to slap the shit out of him. I don't care. Don't take abuse from no man. Okay? So, can't. It's too much. I cannot. What I just went through, it's like about to be 11 o'clock in the morning. 11 o'clock in the morning. Can't say that song. But, yeah, the time's going fast. I just got here. The time's going fast, bro. I don't know. People crazy. Especially in New York, people crazy as well. But ain't nobody gonna take it out on me. And that's not gonna happen. People go through, everybody going through something. You don't come on the train expecting, everybody on that train going through something. It's a possibility. And you come on the train thinking you're special. Thinking just because people don't give you something, you think you have the right to try to attack them. No. No. Hell no. But God had people there for me though, like, that guy was not having it, like he said. And I saw that he wasn't having it, because he was just like, as soon as he got up, as soon as he slammed the cup, that's when the guy stepped in, like, because he saw that he was about to try to, he's coming closer to me. Hey, don't do it. You're bright. Rank. Anyways, I'm gonna have a better day. Try to have a better day. I'm not gonna let that mess up my morning. Yeah, I forgot all about this. Like, this was in my food bin. Oh, they have cassava chips too. Let me try this. I forget all about this. No, I'll do some Easter. Oh, see? Oh, I'm not going to look. Oh, good. I would eat this again. This is good. Really in your bowl. Yeah. It's lunchtime. I'm just snacking. 7 o'clock. I'm the value. I did try the patty, the grist patty. Something is missing. I I'd rather the golden crisp patty I get from Dollar Tree. That crisp patty was off. I mean, you can't eat it, but honestly, I wouldn't eat it again. Oh my god, look at this shit. It's so cool. I like it. It's good. Yeah, lightly salted. It's not a lot of salt. Like, really, not like a lot of salt. I just like the shape. And the taste for sure. But yeah, I wouldn't buy that beef patty again. That beef patty. I'm surprised because Grace tastes good. Well, they season it. But that beef patty was off. Money's birthday is Sunday. But I'm gonna celebrate with him on Saturday. His father got something to do with him on Sunday. You about to be 13. That's crazy. I have a whole teenager. I have to get used to the fact that May is going to be a very hard month for me. When my mom passed in 2 days after my son's birthday. Then my birthday is 2 weeks after. That's a lot. That's a lot to handle. I'm the one that always need to pray for that. Because losing your mom 2 days after your son's birthday is not. That shit is not easy. I gotta be strong for him. I have to go to Trader Joe's for these shits right here. Complex stuff right here is so freaking good. The Big Tin. That's all I really came for. Stuff on the train. Like, come on, try it. Oh, some shit. Oh, some shit. Like, it's the next stop, and they're playing right now.
As you know, we are being held here due to a train and breakdown emergency. I'm on track to see which car has the break emergency for sure. Please be patient.
No, I don't want to be patient. I'm tired. What the fuck?
Tired?
It's hot as hell in the
As you know, the train is in breakdown emergency. We're checking the brakes. If you check the brakes, the train should be moving momentarily.
Lord is a bird lord momentary.
hot. Turn the AC on or something. It's fucking hot. Oh. Hot. Turn it up. Stuck on the train. It was up to 8 right now. Let's see what's up. Hold that shit up to Euclid and let it stop right there. I need to get off. Like, I don't care. Hot.
Is this the 9?
요즘 그러니까 너
Hot as hell.
Look, I get another train. We're waiting too long, man. We're about to go to work. Get another train.
You want to go? I'm tired.
This is all drunk.
Well, it's not really his fault, but I don't know. I gotta fix it. I'm hot. I need a cold shower.
Now, the train break the emergency. We are investigating train. We should be moving momentarily. Thank you.
15 minutes.
My train broke, you know. I'm trying to move out of them.
Bro, people funny. People every day they don't matter right now.
My train broke,
You know how many trains pass? It's like the fourth or third A train that passed. It's over there somewhere. I can't really see because the guy is blocking it. It's moving. 20 minutes. We've been here. 20 minutes. Somebody pull his train, pull the emergency brake. Like, can't stand people. Like, seriously. Pull the emergency brake so now them might investigate. You know that's serious. Once they do that, everybody have to suffer. But in your hot, man, you don't even have any AC or anything. Pick up your music, never cut off this because I'm not going to copyright. Finally moving. See what time is it? It's been 20 minutes though. We've been here at 8:20. Yeah, it should have been this movie at Euclid so I could get off. Sure. That was fun. 8:43. Like. These people are something else. They move it just to have us waiting again. Like, what the fuck? Ain't nobody gonna say nothing anyway. It doesn't make no sense. Bro, they really out here. They really got us waiting. People right out by the door ready to get up and they really got us waiting right here.
Because he was in his spasm and I switched over at the junction. So us being stuck under here, he probably bugged out some more. So they're gonna remove him first. I prefer that instead of us all being on the platform with them. I wasn't there. I came over at Rowley Junction. We were too. Yeah, stuck. Yeah, because he was very irate when he got home. So this is why the cops got us here.
Oh, God. You're looking for somebody that pulled the thing, some sort. I'm at my stop, but okay, there we go. Oh Lord, shower is needed ASAP. I am hot. This is what they do. As soon as somebody else wants something, everybody gotta suffer. Like, they don't play. Boy, that shit is annoying because people tired coming from work. Oh. I'm tired. People always doing dumb shit on the train, I swear. And everybody gotta suffer. They be doing that shit in the morning time too, doing stupid shit in the morning time. And people gotta be late for work because of them. But let me go home, shower and relax because I need this right now. I am tired and irritated and hot. I got rich truck at night time. Alright, y'all. Ooh, that beat felt good. Alright, I said today was not my day. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on today. But tomorrow is different. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Because today was not my day. a vitamin C smoothie because the weather this morning is different. So I need this. I just opened this. Look at the porridge. It's not even a good amount. How much did I pay for this again? I don't remember. Let's see how it tastes because this is crazy. I'm not. Mixing it. I didn't put a lot of water in there. I think I need a little bit more. It's a little thick. So I don't want to be too watery either. Put some more water in there. Hold on. Oh man, I think I put too much water in there. Now it's watery. Oh. I don't like how it smells. You have a weird smell. You know what? Let me close it down. So I have to close it down for how many minutes? 5 minutes. Alright, it's 11:05. So let's see how this tastes. Oh, it got thick. Ooh, okay. It have a little weird smell. I'm not gonna lie. I see it. Let me see how it tastes now. Okay. It's been 5 minutes. Past 5 minutes actually. It's been 15 minutes. It's okay. It's not bad. Have a little. I don't like the smell. And have an aftertaste. It's like it's not. How do you explain this? Don't get me wrong, it tastes good, but it has one little weird. I really got my crackers. I like a weird taste to it. Put in some more water. Morning. I don't know what's going on with grease stuff, but the seasoning is A1, but the products, like the food and stuff, I don't know. The patty, I know this. I know it. I think I didn't add enough water. Maybe that's why. It's just so it's grainy. Like maybe just me. I didn't put enough water in there. What I did. Sunday's Kimani's birthday. I ordered something from. I ordered this outfit from Shein. Oh, the shirt. And they're not even. I'm looking at this tracking thing, and they're not even in the US yet, man. I need it for Saturday. So I'm on Fashion Nova looking for something because it messed me up. I'm gonna have to get a Fashion Nova to ship it tomorrow. I think I need to add in. I need more water. That was my fault. I'm gonna try it again because I didn't have enough water. try it. Hey y'all, it's Friday. Today is May 13th. 2 more days until my son's birthday. 2 more days until my son be 13-year-old. Child. I might be used to bring this whole bag at work. I want to snack on stuff, and they got pictures of it. These are a little, expensive. This is so addicting. Oh my god. I'm not saying that everybody in the other vlog, but it really is. Like, once you start eating, you can't stop. Nah, but my son, he's about to be 13 on Sunday. I don't want my face. I can't deal with the ghost. I can't deal with the ghost life. I'm going so far. I'll forever be my baby though. Period. I'm Victoria's Secret on sale, so I'm on Victoria's Secret checking out some stuff. Oh, they got sale, yo. Oh, who's this? Alright, see y'all later.
Please exit through the rear door. Next stop, Avenue S and Ryder Street. This stop is Avenue S and Ryder Street. West and Coleman Street. This stop is Avenue S and Coleman Street.
to get off. I'm about to get off. King's Plaza. It's about to be, I think, like, about to be 7 o'clock now. I don't remember what time. Oh, I'm gonna go now. Plaza. Alright, I'm not trying to spit. They close at 9, so I'm not trying to stay. I'm probably gonna have to. 2 hours is not bad because I need to get what I need. Victoria's Nails and Spa, H&M. Maybe that's like an H&M for kids. Let's go look in there real quick. Real quick. If I can find something. I wish we'd go upstairs first. I'll go for it. True Religion. I never put you in True Religion. Why haven't I? I don't know. I just don't really like that brand for some reason. I'm so mad that my stuff didn't come in time for you, Papa.
Piano.
I don't like these sweatpants. You on piano? You killed my battery, so it ain't working. Where you at? Keep my battery talking about piano.